Hi, Zenith. I thought I would make a little movie for you on how to, since I'll be gone in case you want to do something to the website. Or not, you can use it later if you want to. But anyhow, once you log into Weebly, this is the page that will show up. And you just go over here to the Edit Site button and click on that. And then you'll see the site. So over here on the left, these are the elements that you put in and out. So look at the different pages, themes, settings. You probably won't have to do anything with this. Well, the only thing you'll probably need to do right now is to change some text or add some pictures. So that's all I'm going to show you right now. So let's say you wanted to add some information on the raffle section on the front. So you would just go down to the raffle section, and it's just like editing text on a document. So you just click in there. You can highlight and write, you know, item, whatever it is, and highlight. Like that. And if you screw up, you can always just redo it. If you screw up before you exit out of here, you can use the back button. But once you make changes, you go up to the right-hand corner and you click Publish, and that will push your changes out onto the internet. So the other thing you might want to do is add some pictures, because it says here there might be pictures if you decide to do that. So what you would do is go to the auction page, and you can get there just from the menu. So click on auction. Excuse me. And then down here, we can change this at some point. I just thought we'd put something up there for now. Anyway, this is called a gallery, a photo gallery. So you just, once the blue box is up there, if you accidentally grab this, actually this moves it. So yeah, don't do that. But you can always move it back. Now, if you click on that, a menu will pop up. And on there it says add images. So you click on there, you can upload them from your computer. And you can just pick a couple images that you have on your however many, and then you just click open, which will upload them. And then mine is kind of slow. Yours might be faster. I can't get really fast internet at my house, so I will pause this until they're up. All right, so you can see the pictures all finally popped up. And from there, there's a couple things you can do. You can delete other pictures. For example, you'd probably want to delete these other ones. You can also put captions on them, and you can rearrange them. So start with rearranging, because that's the easiest. You just grab it. Well, click once, and then once that's up, click again on the picture. There you go. And then you'll get this little submenu for each picture. So see how the crossbars? You just drag it around to the order you want it in. It's that easy. So you can drag them, you know, up and down too. So it's pretty simple. And then when you click and you get that submenu, you can add a link. I don't know if someone had a travel package at somewhere, you could link to it. Or you can put a caption on, which for that you might want to say what it is. So this would be a basket of XYZ, starting bid, maybe it's $10. And then don't forget to click done. And now it's not on there now, but actually, if I click on this big thing, I can go into caption and display on hover. So now when people hover over it, the caption will show up, and we'll show that later. Alt text, you don't need that, but delete is good. So let's say you're on one, or you have two the same, and you want to, all you do is delete it. Pretty simple. That's all there is to it. So then when you're done, again, go up and hit publish. Then when you want to check, you can just click here. It'll open the site. And now we could go into the auction and see your changes. So now, oh, all right, I will fix that. So that goes big, so we can keep it like that. Or, so you can see them all, but I think we'll do the hover. You can ignore all that I just said because you probably don't know what it is. I'm gonna go quick fix that in here. So I'm gonna go to advanced. Captions and display caption on hover. Oh, and partial thumbs. All right, now it'll do it. You can ignore all that, but just so you know, so now see how it pops up? So people can look at it, but when they hover over it, the little information will come up. If you decide you want it to be there all the time and not just when you hover, we can make that happen too. All right, I hope this was helpful. Yeah, all right, bye.